Good morning, friends and fam bam. I never record myself going to Starbucks because I'm always like working in the mornings and I really don't want to blue light, what is it? Moonlight. So, I thought that today I would. And little Miss Natty, where are you? Say hi. So she gets really bad anxiety. Like, she loves to go for rides, she loves to leave the house, but she's also a rescue dog, so she has some anxiety issues, but she loves to come and she knows about the puppuccinos. I can't like go and not get her one. So yeah. All right. Talk to you in a minute. Okay, bye. I don't know if you could see the dog behind me in the car. He got his puppuccino and he's eating it. It's so freaking cute. Anyway, I got my drink and it is a iced vanilla latte with an extra shot and add whipped cream. It's only a tall because that's all I could handle. But oh my gosh. I remember I always used to say I love that first sip feeling. And then when we went to San Francisco, it was the first time I saw on the cup that it actually said that first sip feeling, and I like freaked out inside of the Starbucks, and I was like, oh my gosh, they put it on there. And Babe was like, what the heck, you know? And then I was like, I have to take a picture of this, and it looked so perfect. It's so I have that picture. I'm gonna put it up there. I don't know, just because it seems relevant to what we're talking about. But it's kind of funny because everybody in the Starbucks is like all ready to go to work, you know, all dressed up nice and stuff, and then I go in looking like this. And I'm like, well, I mean, I work from home, so, you know. And I just feel, it kind of gives me that vibe, like, maybe, like, well, you know when you're unemployed and you're like, maybe I should get a job so I could get, you know, my life on track. But that's totally not the case. Like, it's just, I work from home and I don't have to, like this is it for me, guys. I'm in loungewear, and I'm very blessed. I gotta say, very, very blessed. So anyway, thanks for hanging out. I'm not quite sure what else I'm gonna put with this vlog, if I am at all. But anyway, thanks for joining. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, bye. Look, are you ready for your whipped cream? This? Yeah? Oh yeah, huh? Here you go. Yummy. She's so cute. I usually give her the whipped cream this way because I order mobile to go and they don't have a puppuccino choice, and when I've asked for it when I pick up, they're just so busy, and I respect their time. And I know what that's like with customer service, so instead I just buy a can of whipped cream and then I give it to her when she comes home. But she totally knows about it. Like, she knows the deal. And I put her over here just so you guys could see her better, but her area is actually over there. Okay, bye.